Welcome to the presentation of another Leuze Safety Solution. I am Matthias Bristle and I'm the Product Manager for Safety Solutions at Leuze. How often have you been faced with the challenge of reconciling the apparent contradictions of functional safety and productivity in your production? Today we will show you a typical HEV application and how two independent safety systems cooperate with each other to ensure high productivity and safety in your production at the same time. The application here consists of the safety system of the automated guided vehicle and the stationary safety system of the machine. The automated guided vehicle, as part of the material logistics system, is usually equipped with onboard protective devices such as safety laser scanners to reliably prevent collisions with unexpected objects, for example pedestrians. The machine also uses its own stationary protective devices with the aim of preventing people from accessing the hazardous area. In most cases, both systems working independently of each other. For a better understanding, I show here now the three zones of our application. The gray zone on the left-hand side, where the HEV is currently located, corresponds to the traffic area in which pedestrians, industrial trucks and also the HEVs can be present at the same time and move freely. The yellow zone on the right-hand side corresponds to the hazardous area of the production area of the machine. In our case, this is the destination of our autonomous guided vehicle. The red zone in the middle is the safety area, protected by two diagonal stationary safety laser scanners and is part of the machine to detect people in time before they can reach the hazardous area. So far, so simple. The challenge is to safely prevent people from accessing the hazardous area of the machine, while at the same time allowing an HEV to pass through the monitored red safety area without hindering the production process of the machine. This is precisely where our safety solution forms the ideal bridge. In order for the automated guided vehicle to be able to enter the monitored safety area of the machine, desired entry spot must be announced with the safety solution by the material logistics system. If the HEV then enters the red middle zone, the outline of the vehicle is gradually blanked out of the safety area of the stationary scanners. Once the HEV is fully immersed in the zone, the safety area behind the vehicle is closed again. This can also be seen here in the visualization of the two laser scanner protective fields in real time. In this time, the machine's safety solution can also reliably detect people attempting to walk next, alongside or behind to the HEV. In addition, the safety fields of the onboard HEV safety laser scanners can be designed much more simple in this phase. What does this mean for you? Our solution offers seamless and reliable safety for all types of loads, even when the HEV is in the safety area of the machine. Your productivity is also improved, as the work process can run continuously during the vehicle is passing through, and there are also no waiting times in front of any movable safety guard, such as a roller gate. And the solution can also be integrated into existing applications, thanks to its autonomous design. This is one more example of many. Our safety solutions help you to effectively overcome existing limitations in your applications. Take the path to a safe machine with us as operator or manufacturer. Thanks for watching this video and stay safe.